if you're an Ewe, you probably already know the delicacy called Yakayake. Today we are in the village called Agorkedzi. We are here with Grandma. She's going to teach us the process of doing the Yakayake. I'm excited, so let's get right into the video. This is how it starts. This is the cassava dough.
The Ewes call agbelimo.
Okay, the Ewes call it agbelimo. Agbelimo. Okay, so she just added some salt to that. There's a whole process of getting the cassava dough. Maybe later on I'll show you that. But after getting that, this is what she does. She kind of like, oh, I wish I could do it. I could do some. So she mixes it with a little bit of salt. Mommy, you only add salt, eh?
Table salt.
Table salt. She just added something else.
Yes, because when
It's
you're
too
too
dry.
So she added one that is a bit wet.
Okay, so
that
she
it
just
will
added
make it-
another one that is a bit wet so that you get a little moisture in it. Okay, so let's continue the process. So you mix it with a little table salt. Yeah, you mix. The next is this thing called agbaje in Ewe. It is called a sieve in English. And we are basically just going to sieve our mixture so that you get a very smooth yakaike. Okay, so this is what we're doing. So Mama is busily sieving this. Okay, so there's already some water in this. So the yakaike is steamed, and then you have the final product which you can eat with stew or pepper or even soup if you want to. This is the local pot. This is like a traditional stove. You get the fire by putting in some firewoods and some other stuff. It is called mekle in Ewe. That Ashantis and Akans call it muchia. So there you have it. This one is the best you can find in the local homes. Mama is still sieving. Oh, see how smooth it is. It's just like gari, right? Yeah, similar to. Oh, yeah. It's the same process you use for gari. So smooth. So we are going to do this until all of this is finished, and then we'll move on to the next stage. Ruben wants to try her hands on it. So I'm going to try my hands on this. First of all, I need to wash my hands first. Yeah, this is the local way of hand washing, so please bear with us. Okay. That's better. You have to kill all the germs. I'm ready, hands clean, and let's go. Hey. Okay. Grandma, am I doing it right? Hey, okay. So you can use one hand if you want to.
No.
But yeah. Press it. Yeah, you have to press your hand inside so that they can, like come out from. Yeah. Okay. How do you use your two hands? Grandma, do you sell this or you just cook it for the family? She sells it. Okay. It's the same thing like this. say because of the chip. Done. We have the very smooth mixture here, salted, and now it's time to steam it, right? We're going to steam it. Easy. Wow. So grandma has been doing this since, I don't know, 20 years ago, since her teenage. That is what she used to build this entire building that you see, from selling this yakayake. So we are about to steam it. Grandma, why did you put this Okay, so this is done to cover some of the hole to prevent those things from entering and using the steam way. So we just like put this on top. So how do you get the shape? Okay, and then grandma covers this. So basically that's it, right? Okay, so that's it, and then it's going to steam when it's ready. Grandma, how will you know if it's ready? So because grandma has been doing this for years and years, she has her own way of knowing when it's ready. So in like less than 5 minutes, your yakayake should be ready and we eat.
What do we say? It's why I want to share. What do you beg Google to say?
Like this. Hey.
Now they come. Now they come. Now they come. Should we eat this one? Hey, Adriga. This is yours.
So and then you cover it. If you see me crying, I'm not crying. This is tears from the fire. Now it's ready. We are taking it off. Is it not hot? Push. Push. And then you lift this. And then you put this and that. That's it.
Yeah, pass.
Oh.
Woohoo!
We did it! We did it! Come and let me show you what I just did. Oh, it's hot. See, this is mine. So beautiful. Okay. Alright, so we'll do the rest and then we'll catch up later. I have my pepper sauce here. I'm going to taste the yakayake. This is a Bobby Kalami. And then we have a yakayake here. So it's time to taste it. So, ready? Are you ready? It's just like gari and stew, right? Yeah. Not bad. And then we have some abobi. This is abobi kalami. Abobi kalami. This is abobi kalami. Oh, this is nice. The yakayake. Really nice.
With abobi in there.
Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, watch my other videos, and until the next video, take care, and remember, life is short. You got to live your truth. Bye.